Hey there, Santina here with WTI. If you're on the lookout for a good saffron supplement, I highly recommend this Nootropics Depot High Potency Saffron Extract. So there's a few things that I really appreciate about this saffron. First of all, the little pills are quite small, so they're easy to swallow. It's really been no problem taking this every night. I also appreciate that when you open the bottle, there's no strong smells. It's very neutral, no need to worry there. Overall, we have used Nootropics Depot for several different supplements and we've been very happy with the quality, and I definitely think that holds true for this saffron as well. It also comes with 60 in just this little tiny bottle, so it's a good supply for your saffron needs. Overall, I've been very happy with this product, and that's my point of view.